Hello and welcome to Future Cookie. I want to share something with you today that genuinely changed how I think about what science can do. What if the greatest unsolved puzzle in biology was cracked open by a machine? For 60 years, scientists knew one thing. The shape of a protein determines everything. How your cells fight disease, how a virus enters your body, how life itself builds from invisible parts. Figuring out the shape of one protein could take a single researcher an entire career. One protein, one career. Now imagine 200 million of them. That is exactly what just happened. DeepMind's AI system AlphaFold didn't solve one protein. It solved nearly every protein ever discovered by science in a single release. 200 million structures available to every researcher on Earth. If that sentence doesn't stop you cold, stay with me. Inside every living cell, proteins are doing the work of life. They carry oxygen through your blood. They signal your immune system to act. They help build your DNA, and their function depends entirely on their three-dimensional shape. Two proteins, made from the same raw ingredients, folded differently, do completely different things. Scientists call this the protein folding problem. It had been one of the deepest challenges in all of biology since 1962. The only tools available were painstaking lab experiments, X-rays, microscopes, years of careful analysis, all to reveal the shape of a single molecule. Progress was real, but it was slow, painfully slow. Then AlphaFold arrived. DeepMind is the AI research lab owned by Google's parent company Alphabet. They trained a deep learning system on decades of known protein structures. The system learned the hidden rules governing how chains of amino acids fold into precise three-dimensional shapes. In 2020, AlphaFold entered a global scientific competition called CASP. It didn't just win, it matched the accuracy of experimental methods developed over 60 years. The scientific community described it as a solution to a grand challenge. Those scientists were choosing their words carefully. By 2022, DeepMind released the AlphaFold protein structure database. It contained predicted structures for over 200 million proteins, nearly every protein cataloged from organisms across all known life. Bacteria, plants, animals, humans, freely available to any researcher on the planet. Now let me ask you something deeper. What becomes possible when the bottleneck disappears? Drug discovery changes. Researchers designing medicines need to know a protein's shape before they can design something to interact with it. AlphaFold doesn't replace the lab, but it gives scientists a starting point that used to take years in minutes. Early research is already using AlphaFold predictions to explore targets for diseases that have resisted treatment for decades. Cancer, antibiotic resistance. Neglected tropical diseases affecting hundreds of millions of people. Agriculture changes too. Understanding how plant proteins respond to drought or disease could accelerate crops that feed a warming world. Fundamental science changes. Biologists are asking questions they could never afford to ask before. The cost in time and resources was simply too high. Here is the honest version of this story. AlphaFold's predictions are extraordinarily powerful, but they are predictions. Some structures are predicted with very high confidence. Others carry more uncertainty. The database includes confidence scores. This is not a magic answer machine. It is a tool of remarkable capability. It still requires trained human scientists to interpret it. The science is real. The impact is real. And so is the nuance. The protein folding problem sat unsolved for 60 years. The complexity was too vast for human methods alone. An AI system trained on human knowledge looked at that complexity differently. It found the pattern. This is the signal inside this story. We are entering a period where AI is not replacing scientists. It is compressing timelines. It is removing bottlenecks that once defined the outer limit of what was possible. The question is no longer whether AI will accelerate discovery. The question is how ready we are to work alongside tools this powerful. The map of life's molecular machinery now exists in 3 dimensions, available to every researcher on the planet. You just learned that a 60-year-old unsolved problem was cracked open, and the door it unlocked belongs to all of us. Thank you for joining us today. This is Future Cookie.